In Italy, the Pantheon is a former Roman temple and since the year 609 a Catholic church in Rome, Italy, on the site of an earlier temple commissioned by the Marcus Agrippa during the reign of Augustus. It was rebuilt by the Emperor Hadrian and probably decayed 126 AD. Its date of construction is uncertain because Hadrian chose not to inscribe the new temple but rather to retain the inscription of Agrippa's old temple, which had burned down. The building of cylindrical with the portico of large granite Corinthian columns. A rectangular visibility link the porch of the rotunda, which is under a coffered concrete dome with a central opening to the sky. Almost 2000 years after it was built, the Pantheon's dome is still the world's largest reinforced and concrete dome. The height of the oculus and the diameter of the interior circle are the same, 43 meters. It is one of the best preserved of all ancient Rome buildings, in large part because it has been in continuous use throughout its history, and since the 7th century the Pantheon has been in use as a church dedicated to St. Mary and the Martyrs. But formerly known as Santa Maria Rotunda, the square in front of Pantheon is called Piazza della Rotunda. The Pantheon is state property managed by Italy Ministry of Culture, Heritage and Activities and Tourism through the Polo Muses del Lazio. In 2013, it was visited by over 6 million people. The Pantheon's large circular dome cella with a conventional temple portico front was unique in Roman architecture. Nevertheless, it became a standard example when classical style were revived and has been copied many times by later architects. The name Pantheon is from the ancient Greek pantheons, meaning the relating to or common to all gods. A Roman senator who wrote in Greek speculated the name comes either from the statues of many gods placed surrounding this building or from the resemblance of the domes of the heavens. His uncertainly strong suggested by the Pantheon nickname, not a formal name of the building. In fact, the concept of Pantheon dedicated to all the gods is questionable. The only definite Pantheon recorded earlier than Agrippa was in Antioch in Syria, though it is only mentioned by a 6th century source. Ziegler tried to collect evidence of pantheons, but his list consisted of simple dedications to all the gods, to the 12 gods, which are not necessarily true pantheons in the sense of temple housing a cult and literally worship all gods. Godfrey and Hensel point out the ancient authors never refer to the Hadrian's pantheon with the word Hades, as they do with other temple, and the Sumerian inscription curved and the architective uses simply Pantheonem, not Hades Panthai. It seems highly significant that Dio does not quote the simplest explanation for the name, that the Pantheon was dedicated to all the gods. In fact, Livy wrote that it had been decreed the temple building should only be dedicated to single divinities, so it would be clear who would be offend it. Since the French Revolution, when the church is Saint Genevieve in Paris was deconsecrated and turned into the secular monument called the Pantheon of Paris, the generic term Pantheon has sometimes been applied to other buildings in which illustrious dead and honored or buried. In the aftermath of the Battle of Actium, Marcus Agrippa started an impressive building program. The Pantheon was a part of the complex created by him and his own property in the Campus Martius in 29 till 19 BC, which include the three buildings aligned from the south to north, the Baths of the Agrippa and the Basilica of Neptune and the Pantheon. It seems likely the Pantheon and the Basilica of Neptune were Agrippa's Sacra Privata, not Aegis Publica. The former would help explain how buildings could have so easily lost its original name and purpose in such a relatively short period of time. It had long been thought that this currently building was built by Agrippa with later alteration undertaken, and this was a part because of the Latin inscription on the front of the temple